Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to calculate square root using long division method. So we are taking a number. It is a 5-digit number 99,856 and we are going to calculate the square root of this number. So the first step is to group the digits in pairs, starting with the digit in the units place. So the first pair is this 6 and 5. Second pair is 8 and 9, and the third pair, so we have only a single digit over here, so we can write a 0. This will not change our number and we can obtain a third pair. So all of these pairs, these are called period. So 0 9 is our first period, 9 8 is our second period, and 5 6 is the third period. Now in the second step we have to think of the largest number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. So we will take this number as the divisor and the quotient also. So we have 3 squared is 9, so I'm taking 3 as our divisor and 3 as our quotient. Now we have to subtract the product of the divisor and the quotient from the first period and bring down the next period to right of the remainder. So first let us multiply this. So 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. Now subtracting it, we will obtain the remainder as 0. And now bringing down the next period, 9 8. This is our new dividend. Now to obtain the new divisor, we have to multiply the present quotient with 2. So we are going to multiply this 3 by 2, writing 6 over here, and now annexing this with a suitable digit. So we have to write a new digit over here, which will also taken as the next digit of the quotient. So we are going to write this digit, the digit we are going to write over here will be written over here as well, and then we will multiply these two numbers. So if suppose I'm taking 61, so 61 multiplied by 1 will give us 61. 62 multiplied by 2 will give us 124. Now 124 is greater than 98, so we are taking 1 at this place. So writing 1 over here as well. Now 61 multiplied by 1 will give us 61. Again subtracting, we will obtain 37. Now for the next divisor, we will again multiply this present quotient 31 with 2. So 31 multiplied by 2 will give us 62. Annexing it with a suitable digit, and the digit will also be present over here. So now let us think of the digit. For the new dividend we have to write 56 again. So the next pair will be written next to the remainder. Now 3 6 2 5 multiplied by 5, it will give us 3 1 2 and 5. Now multiplying 6 to 6 and 6, we will get 3 7 5 6. So this is the suitable digit. We are going to write 6 over here and 6 over here. That will give us a product of 3 7 5 6. Subtracting this, we will obtain the remainder 0. That means the square root of our number 99,856, the square root is 316. So this is how we use the long division method to calculate square root. Thank you.